Welcome to our express cargo service, your premier choice for door-to-door import solutions by air and sea from China and the USA to Pakistan. Specializing in both commercial and household items, we offer a seamless, efficient, and reliable transportation service tailored to meet your specific needs. Our expertise in navigating the complexities of international shipping ensures your goods arrive safely, on time, and without hassle. Whether you're moving a single household item or a full container load of commercial goods, our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way. From the bustling markets of China to the innovative hubs of the USA, we bridge the distance with our comprehensive logistics solutions, ensuring your items are handled with the utmost care. We understand the importance of reliability and transparency in global trade. That's why our service includes real-time tracking, providing you with peace of mind and the ability to monitor your shipment every mile of its journey. Our competitive rates and commitment to customer satisfaction make us the go-to cargo service for importers looking for an efficient, cost-effective, and hassle-free shipping experience. Trust us to be your partner in growth, connecting Pakistan with the world's major markets. With our express cargo service, the world is just a shipment away. Let us handle the logistics, so you can focus on what you do best. Contact now, 0333 3211 151 03213893692 www.expresscargoservice.site